Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. A cold wind blows through the forest as night approaches. Timo looks at his small stack of firewood. The night will be long and freezing. A new word becomes important in this moment: conserve. Conserve means to use something carefully so it lasts. Burning all the wood at once will leave him cold later. Timo builds a small, steady fire instead of a large one. The warmth lasts through the night. Morning arrives, and he still has wood remaining. Timo remembers that to conserve means to use wisely today so you are prepared for tomorrow, and he carries that careful mindset into his next adventure.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.